Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to the notifications panel. This puts you where removal options appear. Once there, make sure you're on the right account and spot the specific alert you want gone. If it's a message or comment, note whether it links to a post, group, or page. This matters because the removal path changes slightly depending on type. Now tap or click the notification to reveal the menu of actions you'll use next. Once the notification menu is visible, choose the action that removes it. Turn off, mute, or mark as read. Each removes the alert differently. If you want no future alerts from that source, follow through to settings and toggle that category off. For groups, pages, or event notifications, go to Settings Notifications and pick the exact source. This prevents collateral silencing. Make sure to confirm any prompts, so the change is saved. To finish, refresh Facebook and confirm the notification is gone. That final check ensures your action took effect. If it persists, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or update to the latest app version. These steps resolve most sync issues. Also, make sure no other device or browser is resending the alert, and disable conflicting extensions if you use desktop. If problems continue, repeat the toggle off in Notifications settings and restart the device once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.